You blew a spark plug.
Fucking yell at me.
We bought the starting fluid, we're here. But basically we took a snowmobile engine and we put it on a very lightweight frame, much lighter than a snowmobile, so this thing's gotta rip. Look at these tires. Are these over-aired? Oh, you want me to keep pressing it?
Yeah, don't press it all the way, just flutter it.
Alright, ripper Nick.
That
thing's so loud. Oh my gosh. That's one way to wake up the neighbors if you piss them off.
Job didn't hold up while I thought it was. I wonder why I was hopping right about there when we hit the chatter bump. There you go, boys. There you go.
Saw it on Amazon.
It hits about 4K and it goes dun 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 dun. Once it gets traction, you just yeah. We ain't doing a deal, huh, Kelly? We ain't doing it.
We thought about this before we built it. I shouldn't even say we, these are kind of the guys that built it, but
spring mounted with rubber mounts.
We could take off the exhaust in seconds. We got rubber mounts that just clip straight in there. We built this thing like a Lego.
We did the electrical, we did the brake cage and the gas tank cage and stuff like that. If you see, we got the wrench special right up here.
They got wrenches for a pedal stop.
Spring back.
This was just standing by itself and there's a lot of torque on here, so we added this support bar.
Do you have any idea who you just let ride your go-kart?
I'm not worried about the go-kart, I'm worried about him. For being homemade, it's actually pretty fun. It's all right.
You blew a spark plug.
Fucking yell at me.
It shocked you? Yeah, you just had an electrical current to the thing. I told him not to touch it. It didn't listen. Did you ever think you were gonna get electrocuted by riding this?
It's like, it pissed me off. No, I reached down for the kill switch and it just shocked the shit out of me. Yeah, it traveled through the frame because that spark plug was resting on the exhaust.
You might get a little more speed.
That's what you can expect with homemade machines though.
Yeah.
Not everything's gonna go perfect. We rent you a quad, but we're so confident that people will crush our machines that we actually come with a tour guide. And I am your tour guide today. We'll be taking you on a little ride. As you come over to our national park, here to the right, we have a couple of old cars. These things are very powerful. Oh, my bad. These are very tippy, by the way, so if anything happens, it does not fall on the unwrapped part. And I do not come with a backup camera, so if you do see anything I'm about to hit, please be sure to inform me on that. Welcome, Uganda, to our tours. We got a contestant on our tours. He's got enough ass weight to get us to go, too. It's not a fat joke, I promise. Sorry. I almost fell. Did you see that?